Hi, I'm Kelly, and these are my sisters Nancy and Karen. We love to travel, but, you know, the lockdown has put a hiatus on travel. So for Christmas this year, we are doing Vlogmas this year.
So join us every day this month up until Christmas as we try treats from around the world.
And bake different countries' traditional Christmas goodies.
And make Christmas
with Nancy,
crafts.
with Christmas crafts.
Yeah.
And talk to people from all over the world. We're so happy you're joining us. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
We're going to Norway!
Apparently, we actually are Norwegian. No, not really Norwegian, but of Norwegian descent.
Yes.
Didn't know that till recently.
No, we knew our grandpa was from Sweden. Well, he was born in the States, but his parents were from Sweden.
Both of his parents were from Sweden.
So we had no idea that we're actually Norwegian as well. We found that out recently.
Yep.
But I was going to say, Norway does Christmas soda pop. Soda pop. And this is Grandpa Lundquist's soda. It's a Christmas flavor.
What is Christmas flavored soda pop?
Cinnamon pop? I don't know. During Yule, children and adults alike enjoy Yule Must, a unique, sweet, and flavorful winter soda drink.
Let's try it. It says soda. It's not pop.
It's
Christmas soda.
Ooh.
Okay, you have to try to open it. It's never good when she says, ooh.
Ew. I'm not sure what I think about that.
Right?
Oh my God.
Why is mine special?
Okay.
Is it like a root beer?
Okay, here goes. 1, 2, 3.
It's pear. It's pear.
It's not pear.
It's 100% pear.
Do I get to say this?
No, it's not pear. It's hops. Hops and malt. I think you should stop.
I'm not going to drink any more of this because I don't want to get sick.
Pretty good. I like it. Thanks, Grandpa Lundquist.
So we have Ski Queen goat cheese, salty caramel.
Oh boy. Are you sure we're of Nordic descent? I'm not so sure.
I
Norwegian.
do believe you chose this.
Goat cheese and caramel.
Okay.
So what do we have to have?
Now we have these gluten-free something, wasa.
Oh, lactose. It's gluten-free and lactose-free.
There we go. From Norway.
Necca bread?
I think.
So crackers of some sort. Ooh, weird.
I have an issue.
It's like a big block of caramel, but I'm betting there's goat cheese inside of it.
There. Looks like a giant caramel. Caramel.
Tomato. Ooh,
The whole thing is caramel.
The whole thing's caramel.
The's like no cheese
Weird.
inside. I thought it was like wrapped in caramel.
Okay, don't make me try a big piece.
I can't eat caramel.
I know.
You guys try it.
Okay, we're gonna try it.
Oh, look at that cracker.
The cracker's pretty.
That's a tiny cracker for you. I mean, that's a tiny piece for you. This is a cool cracker.
I see the knife.
Cracker's super crunchy. I love the cracker.
Cracker's fantastic.
The cheese is just, it's like...
I don't taste the caramel, but it doesn't taste like... It
Cheese.
doesn't have that extra tang of a goat cheese.
I am really liking these crackers.
Mm-hmm. Not bad.
Now we have some cloudberry preserves.
Mm.
I've never had
I haven't had
cloudberry.
cloudberry either. I don't even know. I can't do it.
One moment. Ooh!
I don't know that I want to try that.
I'll try it.
I'll try it. Oh, look at that little bit she's giving me. Thank you. What is this called?
Cloudberry.
Cloudberry preserve.
I'll have to look it up. I don't know what they are.
Boy.
1, 2, 3.
One.
One.
Do it again.
1, 2, 3.
Mmm. Not bad.
It's not bad.
Ooh, I don't like the seeds though. Why did you leave the seeds in, I wonder? Why was that a conscious decision?
It's not my favorite jam. But these crackers are great. And the cheese is pretty good. I don't like this.
I got the seeds stuck in my teeth.
What ketchup you doing?
These are a winner. These are great. You should order some more.
I think I will. Well, I had to
We
order
should-
them from a specialty store.
I don't care. This would be great with like a tuna salad or an egg salad or something on top of it. It'd be
Just a
great.
second. There's a giant seed.
Gross.
Hey guys, I contacted Marie from Florals with Marie. She's another one of those Lalonders.
Super excited today because Marie is in the house, and last Christmas she decorated the whole chateau and it was magical, and she made the most amazing wreath for the front gate. Absolutely huge. And I've asked her if she wouldn't mind showing you how to make a wreath. So she's going to show you how to make a normal household sized wreath. And well, that's as far as I can tell you because I don't know how to make it. So I'll be learning as well.
Last year was quite grand, and I wanted to maybe show you how to make your own Christmas wreath.
And I asked her, she's from Norway, and I asked her, what is the #1 thing y'all make for Christmas? And her first thing is pepperkakor, which is a Swedish thing. Instead of doing pepperkakor, there was one other thing, and it's burnt sugar almonds. So today, we're gonna make some burnt sugar almonds. Literally, it's almonds, water, and sugar, and cinnamon. Oh, I lied, and so a little bit of vanilla. We're gonna put 1/4 cup of water in a pan on the stovetop. We're going to let that simmer. Then we're gonna add 1/2 cup of sugar. We're going to add a teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And once it gets really simmery and all mixed together, we're going to add the almonds and make sure it just really soaks in. So that's our next step right now. Okay, so I'm over here now at the stove. I am boiling my mixture until all of the sugar's dissolved. And then I'll add my almonds. So just hang out waiting for it to come to a boil. Okay, I'm just going to add my almonds now. My almonds? So now I'm just gonna add my almonds. It takes 2 cups of almonds. So I have to stir continuously to make sure they don't actually get burnt. And then I let it soak for a minute.
Everybody knows it's Christmas time, and we've got Frosty, Rudolph, Snowball, Snowflakes, Cookie Dough, and that old Scrooge.
So then I'm going to put this on a parchment lined cookie sheet and allow it to cool, and try to make it so that not too many almonds are touching. And then we can snack on some burnt sugared almonds. Thank you, Marie. This is going to be delicious. Hey, Karen.
Yeah?
Come here. I want you to try these.
Hey, what are those?
I wrote Marie from
Lalonde.
She's at Lalonde.
Oh, what's her
Florist. She's
Yeah,
a
yeah, yeah.
florist. She also bakes. She's from Norway originally, but she's in France. You know Marie. favorite Christmas recipe was.
Yeah.
And she came back with pepperkakor.
Oh, well, I know what that is. I love pepper
That's
pepper.
Swedish also.
I love it.
And then these burnt sugar almonds. So
Okay.
since we already know what the cookie is, we thought we'd try these almonds. So here.
Ooh.
Yeah,
they're a little sticky.
Little sticky. I may not have done the recipe
Or maybe they should set
right, yeah. But they're delicious.
Oh, those are good.
Almost like a caramel.
That's great.
Mmm.
I like those.
Thanks, Murray.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I found these little kits at Walmart, so we're gonna do a Norwegian gnome.
We're Santa's little helpers, we make the wheels go round. Day and night, night and day.
Oh, that's the beard. I see. So I'm supposed to. Where's the needle? There's the needle. Wow, okay. Align the stitch holes on the white felt board. I can't read. Beard, not board. And the red felt hat. Red felt hat. Beard. Using the white embroidery floss and the straight stitch, which is this. That's the straight stitch. Join together as shown. Okay. This is Ken Kelly. Follow instructions. Find this piece and find this piece. Find the hat and the beard.
I found the beard.
Alright, now you're gonna look for your needle that's in this.
Hope I don't stick myself. I feel like good to it.
Having flashbacks to teaching and the library. So we take, oh, it's a whole, I thought it was pieces. Oh no.
Maybe that's why you needed scissors.
That's probably why I needed scissors. It's been a while.
What's this?
Nothing we're using right now. No, if I can thread the needle or not. Oh no. Ah! Ah! I'm unraveling my thread. Got it. Ah, there's still a piece. Come on. There, got it. Maybe I should have had Karen doing this craft. What do you think?
Yeah.
Karen should have come over here with you. Oh, yeah! Woohoo! Did you see that? That went
Yeah.
right in. Yes.
I knew what.
All right, here's one easy. Okay. Match up those holes.
Just sew it.
I am. No comments from the peanut gallery.
Why don't you let Nancy tell you how to do it?
Hey Nancy, how do you do this?
I don't know.
Figure it out. Show me.
Tie in the knot and then you sew.
Now you'll line these holes up somehow.
Watch Kelly sew. See, obviously, we should have bought her dolly kits when she was a kid.
I used to sew on the machine.
Yeah, you used to sew on the machine. You used to sew all kinds of stuff. Kelly, people through. We doing this. We can at least pretend for the video. Or you're not going to want to use it.
So I'm gonna get Nancy started, and apparently I'm not an elf that sews much. I feel like Tom Sawyer pretending to know how to sew.
Well, this is good practice for me, huh? Oops. Ah, no. Okay. There we go. Okay, you want to look across on here. I dropped the needle. Okay. From the back side, Nancy. Yeah. Turn it over and look for the hole. There you go. Push it through. Alright, I saved that. Craft is easy as pie. Easy. A 5-year-old could do it. Unless you're me. Okay, and that's what it's supposed to look like. Let me finish mine. Mine, I did Nancy's super quick. And mine keeps doing this. I did that one just fine. What's going on with this one?
I think you tied a knot.
Okay. I got mine done, and I only threw a little bit of a bit. There's a star. Oh, I'm doing this. Star, snowflake. Step 3. There's only 5 steps. This should go pretty quickly. If it worked for me. Alright, step 3. I do know how to follow instructions. Okay, align the stitch holes on the stitch hat and beard. And the beard. Gray felt gnome front. Well, we're almost done. Literally, almost done here. I just gotta sew the body up. This really was an easy project. I'm just a dork. I'm calling in reinforcements. We need another elf. And through the magic of video editing, we're done. And we're done. We got cute little gnomes. A Norwegian gnome. Good jewel. Good jewel. Or Merry Christmas.